Stock has given multi-bagger returns of around 2000% from 20 rupees to today at around 357 over here. Why is this stock so good and it can still multiply your capital by 2 times or 3 times? Because right away, let's get into this video and check out the fundamentals of this. If you see that its actual value is trading way below the intrinsic value, which is a good thing. Returns is also been offered by the company better than the FD returns. Dividend is also been returned by the company. Entry point is also good because it is not in the overbought zone. I will be giving you a specific price for you to enter where you can invest and get great returns. There is no as such red flags, as there is no as such illegal suspicious activities found in this stock. Further on in this video, if you see their income statement, if you see that the industry's revenue growth is only at 9.78%, whereas this company is growing at 17.39% in revenue growth. Net income of the industry is around 8.03%, whereas this company holds net income's growth is 15.68%, which is way better than the industry. It has also increased the market share from 0.54% to 0.57%, showing me the good signs as well. Coming on further of this video, if you see the profit and loss statement on the consolidated time from March 16 to 2020, the revenue has grown from 1984 crores to 3802 crores over here, almost double, which is great as well. Net profit is the same way, from 159 crores to around 277, which is almost the 2 times, a bit less than 2 times, but is still very good. Earnings per share has also multiplied around 2 times, from 15 to 26 over here. So overall, the profit and loss statement is very good over here, if you see. Right, coming on further with the balance sheet, net worth has grown from 471 crores to 768 crores from March 2016 to 2019. In the consolidated statements, the total assets have also increased from 1105 to around 1560. The debt to equity ratio has decreased from 0.96 to 0.93, which is a great sign that the company is reducing the debt. So balance sheet is also overall very good. Coming on further of this video, what is this company called as? This company is called as Sonata Software, and it is right now trading at very cheap valuation, because right now the PE of this company is at 17.54 compared to the industry of 30.59. And the shocking truth which you need to see is the return on equity ratio, which is around 44%, a mind-blowing return on equity percentage returns, right? This company is into IT, which is into software making. Further on of this video that when do you need to buy this stock? You can buy this stock anywhere near around 345 levels is what I believe, which can give you a great returns by at least receiving the price of around 600 to around 800 rupees, which this company deserves. So this is all for the video, guys. I hope you understood. Make sure that you do buy this company at these levels. Until next time, guys, happy investing and bye bye. Do not forget to subscribe my channel as well.